Well, hello, friends. Today, we are going to port Doom. And I don't care what happens or what kind of trouble we run into, we're just going to get it running. So, um, the other day, there was a post on Hacker News about a guy who wrote a little Unix that could run Doom. And he had a port of Doom. I think it was called OZKL. That's the name of the guy. This is simple Unix-like operating system called SoSo. It's pretty cute. Um, and I looked at it. It's a very nice start. So I hope you keep going, dude. But for today's video, we are interested in his fork of Doom because he made this thing called Doom Generic, which is supposedly an easily portable Doom, and that's exactly what we want. So the purpose of this is to make porting Doom easier. Of course, Doom is already portable, but with Doom Generic, it's possible with just a few functions. The limitation is there is no sound. Well, we can live without the sound right now, because I just want to play the game. So, I guess let's make sure that we have a WAD file. So, let's just get a WAD. Where can I get that? Index of... just give me the WAD. All right. We'll put that in root. Or actually, let's put that in base. Just so that we have the file showing up when we eventually need it. Okay, I'll put here, we'll call it doom1.wad. All right. Double yogurt. Okay, we got it. Great. And then, so here what it says, that to port Doom Generic, we just have to implement these 5 functions. And then there's a list of 6 functions. Which is a bit confusing, but I guess set window title, we can do that one. Oh, it's not required. All right. We can do that one too. Okay, so let's work out how to do this. Let's just grab his port. So thank you, OZKL, for putting together Doom Generic. Let's see how it goes porting it to Serenity. So let's just get started by, I guess we can, wait, what build system is this? Make file. All right, well, easy enough. Let's just use the bash port as a starting point. And we'll say fetch this. Probably we're gonna need patches, but we don't know what they are yet, so looks like for building it, we want to go in the Doom Generic directory. Okay. Let's see what happens. I bet you that it's building a, it's probably building a Linux version right now. Yeah. Maybe we can find out if it actually works with the file that we got. Okay, so just verifying that the Linux port here works. It feels a bit broken, actually. Did I do something wrong? ST minus not found. I don't know what that means. I thought it was STP minus. It's an old WAD. Oh, okay. Did I get a bad wad? Please, I just want to download Doom wad. All right. You gotta make sure that things are on the up and up here. Okay, so here, this is the game, and it's running on Linux. And it's not necessarily the fastest thing in the world, but it does run. Okay, so I guess that's a start. So let's get this working on Serenity. Well, let's see what we do with that. Ports, Doom. Okay. So I guess what we want to do is definitely we want to not use GCC here, but rather 686 PC Serenity GCC. And for C++, we want to do G++. For linking, we're going to use the C++ compiler. We're not going to do xlib, but we're going to do Serenity. And I guess we have to do something about this so that we can compile CPP files as well. And we'll just say CXX. And CSX flags can just be C flags. Okay. Wait, is this building with the right compiler? Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. No Doom generic Serenity.0. That's to be expected. So which ones do we have? So. Oh, what's in that one? How does it work in your port, dude? This is quite a small file. It's like 230 lines. Okay, let's do the xlib one maybe. So we copy that to Doom generic. Or wait, let me look at this one more time. What actually happens here? So convert to key. What were the things we had to convert? Doom generic. What's this little list of functions there? Draw a frame. We just copy whatever's in the screen buffer to our screen. Here we sleep a bit. Here we say how long it's been running. This is initialize. And get key. Okay, let's copy the xlib one. Serenity.cpp. Okay. And I guess we'll use a I guess I'm going to be doing this in Vim for some reason. At least we can start that way. G widgets. Get rid of these. And we'll need a window. And maybe we will, I don't know if we'll need that actually. Well, where's that init function? All right. So here, let's say G application app. I don't know where main is. We're just gonna bypass main here and, or actually maybe we have to do something in main now that I think about it, because this thing is not gonna stay in scope. Or actually, hold on. Well, one, but we do break out of it. Okay. Where's main? I need main. Main. Okay. Sorry, I'm not familiar with Doom sources. Doom main. Okay. All right. Well, let's turn this into a CPP file. imain.cpp. I guess actually we should have. Let's do this with git. Okay. Blah blah blah. Okay. D2 main. So the trick here is just to get the application up, because that means that we will get an event loop, like a main event loop, and then we want to use that to drive everything. So the rest of it's not so important. Whatever happens, we just want this thing to be alive always, so we know that it will be alive as long as main runs, as long as main is on the stack. So yeah, there we go. Serenity. Okay, now here to create a window, we'll just do G window is new G window. Select. Where do we put that? I guess, oh, here. We already know where we want to put it. Okay. So we can get rid of these. Probably we don't need all this gunk. Okay. Doom generic res X, res Y. I guess these are the ones that we're interested in. So we'll just put it at 100, 100, doom generic res X, doom generic res Y. Okay. And blah, blah, blah. G window. And then let's make a widget. What's the easiest way to do this? The absolutely easiest way is probably to use a G label and a graphics bitmap. Withdraw graphics bitmap. Okay. And then we'll put a set label is new G label. Set main widget label G label set icon bitmap. We'll do it this way. Okay, and before we do all this, we'll do gbitmap is graphics bitmap create with size doom generic res X, doom generic res Y. Is that how you do that? Graphics bitmap create with no, it's something else. It's just create format and size. Okay. Create graphics bitmap format. RGB 832, let's say, for simplicity. And then here we just want to wait for the thing to be showing, but whatever, we don't care about that. So we'll just do G window show and We're good. Okay, and then this is the event handling. This is sleep handling. This looks pretty straightforward. And the key queue. Probably this could be simplified. Set window title. So here we'll just do G window set title. Okay, and maybe we can leave those alone. So now we just have to deal with the keyboard input and also drawing the next frame. So here, this is where we draw a frame, which I guess, oh wait, what's the stuff? Convert to Doom key. So here we want to convert our own keys. Gosh, I have to look these up. Key return. Right, so I suspect actually that we can just do xk key like that. Control. Oh, we don't have any keys for the control button. Okay, so that's like something that we don't know how to do yet. Key, do we have key shift? Yes, we do. Left shift. Okay. Oh, we do have key control. Hold on. Okay. My bad. Key space. And left shift. Key shift. Okay, I had to pick up the phone there, but now we're getting back to business. So what are we doing? Default key to lower key. Well, that's not exactly going to work. But if we get the whole key event, then we could grab the character. So let's do that. So let's say key event. No, let's switch on key. Actually, let's pass this by const reference and key.character. Oh, wait, could you autocomplete that? Oh, it's from something else. Okay, well, I don't have my Vim set up to do this fancy autocompletion stuff these days because I rarely use it, but now I'm doing a little bit of Vimming. Somebody asked me the other day why I don't edit with Vim instead. Because I'm not as fast with Vim, but I guess I can make do. It's okay for now. So what is this about? If sDisplay, oh, I really don't like this type of programming where like you nest the whole function in something. So let's just, I mean, we don't have to do it. We can just rewrite everything here because we have to replace it all anyway. So this is copying the pix map. So how does that work? Pixel is, this is an RGBA32? What is this? What's the DG screen buffer? Times 4, so I'm assuming it's 4 bytes per pixel, so 32 BPP. Let's just assume that it's that. And then RGBA should probably be RGB32 because we're not going to have alpha. But other than that, let's see what we got here. Convert to Doom key. Who calls this? Const key event key. Wait, this isn't the thing we're going to get anyway. So what we're going to be actually be getting is a G key event, which has text. So that's what we have to use, not character. Because I was thinking of the kernel event, but we're at a wholly different layer here. So we have to use text dot characters, or do like that. If key dot text is empty, key is, I guess, 0. Okay, I think that's kind of good. And then we'll send the event. Okay, let's make sure that we have that as well. GUI event. Probably we had it already, but well, it's not going to hurt us. Whether or not it's pressed. So I guess add key to queue. Here we can just say bool pressed is event type is equal to g event key press. I think that's what it's called. No, key down. Yeah, key down. That's the one. Okay, and then here, what we want to be doing is just getting the events from the event loop. But there's no way to like get the next event here because it doesn't quite work like that. Like we have to make a widget, and then the widget can receive events. So that label that we made, we should probably make something fancier. So let's get rid of the label and build our own widget. So we'll build a, call it like a Doom widget. Cool name. Let's see, object, Doom widget. And here we will put a constructor. Very cool. Maybe not terribly cool actually, but it'll do something for us. Then the important parts are going to be, I mean, we don't need a private section here because it's just for this compilation unit anyway. But the important part here is to get the key event. Key down event, key event, override, and also key up event. Do we have key up event? Ooh, do we send those? Yes, we do. Oh shit, okay, yeah, of course, otherwise the piano app wouldn't work. Started thinking like, do we even have key up events? I think we do. And I guess we should also do a paint event. And if we're gonna paint stuff, we're gonna need a gpainter. Okay, Doom widget. Let's implement this guy. So Doom widget key down event. What was it? Add key to queue event. Oh, actually, yeah, these, all they have to do is that. Add key. So these are not actually terribly interesting functions, but whatever. Everything doesn't have to be interesting all the time. So this was the key up event. Okay. And then finally the paint event. Zit. Zit. All right. Painter clip rect, event rect. Okay, and then we want to paint the big bitmap. So that would be painter blit. I guess we'll blit it at. We'll just blit it here, and we'll blit the whole dang bitmap. G bitmap, and we'll blit the whole map like that. I think that's basically the whole thing that we need to do. Okay, so then let's see, Doom widget. Doom widget, get rid of that. Doom widget is now the main widget. Okay, so then we'll be getting events there, so we don't need to worry about this part. And then this part is the drawing it part. And what do we do here? Here we just have to pump the event loop, I guess. So we have C event loop pump, so we'll do that. Current pump. Do we want to do wait for events? Poll for events. I guess let's just try it this way and see what happens. No matching for Doom widget without a parameter. Well, you're right about that, dude. I need to pass a parent. Okay, and you don't love me either. I can't call that one with 2 ints because I need to pass a size. All right. And key up event has colons at the end. Look at these. Subtle, but wrong nevertheless. Okay. To lower was not included. All right, we'll get C type and event.key is wrong. So what was that? ng key event. We want the key, so we just call paren. Okay. Key is key enter. So I guess here we'll just do that. Do that. Wait, was this supposed to return an int? No. It's supposed to return an unsigned char. Okay. Key.text. It's event.text. And we can't call gpainter blit with a point graphics bitmap and size, because what we actually need is point graphics bitmap rect and float. But this one is empty. Oh, right. So we're passing a size, and what we really want to do is pass a rect. So bitmap size just be bitmap rect. Cannot find libx11. Well, that's understandable. Let's build it with libgui, libcore, and libdraw. And what do we need here? So undefined references to various things. Maybe we need to do, can I build this faster somehow? Again, so what are you trying to do? You're trying to link with GCC. Well, that's not going to work for us. Where are you linking? Here. Aha. I'm going to need you to link with CXX. So we're missing DG create and Doom main. So where's Doom main? Doom main. It's right here. This does not build. dmain.o, dmain. Where are the build artifacts? Oh, here, okay. Grep, domain. It is right here. So why don't you... oh, probably because I'm not extern seeing them. Because I built imain as a CBP file. And then it's getting confused about these. We're gonna need to do this. See, this is so freaking confusing about C++ linking against C stuff, right? Because it just says undefined reference to this, but it doesn't, there's no visual indication that this is actually a demangled C++ symbol name that it's looking for. So yeah, this is irritating. Anyway. Oh, maybe we need to, just need to pull in the whole world with some extern C, actually. So let's just put that around everything external here. There we go. And now we have some undefined references to all of our platform things, because it thinks that they are also C linkage. Which should be easy to fix, I guess. Where are those? Void, DG. So let's just put like, so we can just do this, actually. And there you go. These were all next to each other. Could have just wrapped it. And now what's your problem? Oh, doom generic.h. Let's put these in extern C as well. So, alrighty then. Type info for G widget. Well, I don't have type info, dude. Oh, no exceptions. Huh? Okay, let's try to build this again. Oh, right. Can't type extern C if we're not in C++. So what is that? C++. All right. All right, well, we built something. It is an ELF executable for i386, just like Serenity, statically linked and everything. So, what is it? What happens if you do install? There's no install target. I guess we'll just take the binary and put it in home and on. And put that in the disk image. And see what happens. Because who knows how this would go. / doom. No, oh, doom generic, sorry. Trying to open something called Serenity. I don't know what that is. All right. So let's see, kill all doom generic. Okay. We had doom1.wad. Really, that wasn't something that it would try? Oh, I tried it in uppercase. Oh shit, I have to say iWad. And we got a crash in printf internal. Well, shit. Unimplemented format specifier. Well, oh, it's this thing again. Alright. This is the same as NeonCat. Who's printfing with a dot? You jerk. Let's just look for %f with a dot somewhere. I don't know. G. No? Maybe it's these. I don't know how to do these dots. How about we just hack the printf to ignore the dots? That'll be terribly wrong, but it also won't crash our printf implementation. Should probably work on printf at some point. It's like kind of buggy and missing a lot of features. Fix me. We should not ignore these. All right, and then let's do a rebuild of our beloved Serenity. Because, you know, it doesn't quite feel like a porting effort if I don't have to fix at least something in Serenity. And actually, maybe this actually would fix NeonCat. Anyways, let's do a rebuild here. J5 for that massive parallelization. What do we have down here? Oh, I don't need this. Okay, I'll copy that. And I guess actually we can just call that. I was looking for doom1.wad in uppercase, so let's just doom1.wad in uppercase. And then let's run it. See what happens if we run Doom generic now. And not a lot happening there. So I guess we're going to need to actually trigger some repaints if we want something interesting to happen. So I guess the way we can do that is we can just have a timer that we create on startup that will just do something totally simple, like or a new C timer every, I don't know, 32 milliseconds, 33 for good measure. We'll call it on Doom widget. Doom widget update. Type specifier. Oh. You don't like the argument? All right. Okay, let's try this. So I'm not actually sure if we're getting any events here. We'll have a look at that next. But kicking the thing to make it call update will definitely be the right thing to do. Okay, so I feel like we're not getting to the event loop, really. You know, which might make sense, but we are calling pump on it in draw frame. So here, let's just say DG draw frame pumping event loop. All right. And then maybe this should actually use the other version of it. So what the hell is that called? Where's QCreator? I miss you. Did you crash QCreator? I just updated to 4.10 yesterday. And was that already a crash? What was it called? Wait mode. Wait mode, pull for events. Okay. So let's try to use that. Okay, make and copy and sync and run. Starting Doom main. What the frick is Serenity? G dialog. Oh, it wants to show a dialog box. Oh, that's so cute. So it's trying to say this, stcfn3d not found. What does that even mean? Is this even a real thing? Oh, are we fucking it up by with that printf thing? Damn it. All right, let's see. Oh, this is the wrong directory entirely. Yeah. Look at this guy right here. He's trying to open something and we're fucking up the printf because like that's the 3D. Like made me suspicious there because it looked like maybe it was a format string, and indeed because we swallowed this one. So the dot specifier means that. What the hell is that again? Is that there's an. Okay, I have to look this up. Dot. Ugh. Okay, what did I think was going to happen? What is the dot? Something about the length, is it? Okay, well, printf dot. It's not dot star, it's dot %.3. Dot. The minimum number of digits to be printed. Leading zeros will be added to make up the field. So it's the same as 0, right? Well, anyways, we can fix that. So we'll just say view stuff, C, stcfn. We'll do that. And y stuff, .2, 0, 2. Okay. What are you buzzing about, phone? Oh. We got black. And then what? We are pumping the event loop, but not much happening else. I thought that something more would happen. but we're getting somewhere. So let's see. Doom generic Serenity. Oh, it's already open somewhere. Oh, it's right here. So we're pumping the event loop, but we don't know if we're actually getting any events. So let's just say here, key down event, key up event, and paint event. And yeah, say that. That's the one I wanted. Yeah. Okay, we're getting key events. But hold on a minute now. We created a bitmap, sure, but like, how would it know to draw into it? We never told it where to draw. Oh, well, we're copying from that bitmap. Paint, split, G bitmap rect. Wait a minute, what's going on here? I'm just copying an empty bitmap over and over. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to copy from that other memory. What was it? DG screen something? Screen buffer. Yeah, right. So I'm just copying a black bitmap. Of course nothing's gonna happen. Maybe we can just do this. Create wrapper. It's not a regex. Create wrapper, format, size, pitch, RGB 32. So this is size, and then the pitch is Doom generic res x times 4, and that's the DG screen buffer is the data. Wow, I'm not sure this would work, but it would be cool if it did, because then we're just taking the screen buffer and wrapping it in a graphics bitmap. It'd be nice if that just worked. Oh, and it kind of did. All right. Cool. Look at that. I'm in freaking Doom. It's very, very sluggish, but it is Doom. I'm sure that there are things we can do to go faster here. But this is cool. This is really, really cool. It's a cool start. Wonder if I can shoot something. Wow, dude. All right, well, this is very, very laggy. This reminds me of first time I got Doom running on my emulator. I mean my PC emulator. Maybe I can even bring that up for reference. There's Computron. Some CoolDOS, maybe? CoolDOS X11, CTConf. I think I have Doom here. Yeah, right. Oh, it's not a shareware version though, so don't copy this. Is it gonna start? I think it does, yeah. So Doom does run a little bit better in my x86 emulator on DOS here, but you know, it's still a bit laggy, so we're not that far off. I need to work on this, make it faster too. Look at these instructions per second here. It's just painfully crap. Should be way higher. Anyway, let's not get sidetracked there. So yeah, so that's very, very cool. I wonder. I mean, we can definitely, we don't have to like make this perform perfectly and everything. I'm just kind of curious what happens if you tweak some stuff, like you run the timer way more often. Does that hurt or help? Because I don't know, I just want to prod it. But yeah, it's like, we definitely don't have to reach like super perfect quality here. We just want to get somewhere. Yeah, it's still very laggy. Possibly more laggy, I'm not sure. Okay, let's run it way less often, see what happens. Oh, no. So, did he mention something about this? Perf slow. Not efficient since it generates the pixmap. Well, yeah. But that's just about the LX11 port. But it was very, very slow indeed on Linux. We're not doing that much horrible stuff, but at the same time, it's like I've never tried to play a 30 fps game on Serenity before, so I don't know what I was expecting. Or I don't even know how many fps this is supposed to run at. Suggested retail price, $9. Okay, so this, you know, this is gonna need some work, and I'm not sure where, but I think that's gonna be outside the scope of this video. So we'll just tune that to a comfy 33 there and leave it alone for now. And we can have a default for that. We don't have to log all this. Zip. And I think that's okay. Draw a frame. How often are we drawing the frames? I mean, we shouldn't draw any more often than this guy says to draw. Sleep MS. Okay. Let's just turn this into a patch that we can add on top. So let's see, git add dim generic Serenity. Let's turn this into a commit, and we'll say like port doom generic to Serenity OS. Thanks for the awesome project, OZKL. Awesome doom generic project. Because it is really awesome. Because I guess he just made it so much simpler for me to do this. So thanks, dude. Okay. Yeah, right. Here's the little hackery. And then maybe we'll just leave the act thing alone for now. Okay. And then we'll do Serenity port MP3. I don't know what I was trying to type there. Patch. Okay, and then when we build it, we want to run patch. Serenity port patch P1. And let's just stash this away somewhere just in case, okay? And we'll try to build a port from scratch. Oh, install is not working. We need to have an install target. So that would just be here. We'll just say install. Copy, I guess, output. Test tier. Bin. Is that cool? Doom generic. And I'm just gonna rename it to Doom, actually. Oh, now we have to redo the mechanism. Shit. All right. We are gonna do a little bit of hackery here. So I'll just go to the old port and get that, make file, and blah blah blah, and div get show ports to Serenity port patch. Okay. I just wanna make sure that this thing actually builds and installs Doom now. If we build it with just a script. And then me or someone else who feels like it can go and work on improving the performance here. So why did that not work? Did I not? Wait, why wouldn't that work? Oh shit, yeah, right, because of the port script. We have to do -c to generic. And then can we just run Doom now? I would like that. Very, very cool. Okay, yeah, so now you can just run Doom, although you do need to put a doom1.wad file somewhere. But yeah, that's really awesome. Okay, so I think maybe this is going to be it for today's video. So if you made it this far, then I thank you for watching and for coming here and hanging out while we do this little unusual but fun thing of porting Doom. So I hope you saw something interesting, and leave a like if you like it. Don't leave a like if you don't. Leave a comment if you have something to say, and whatever else I can say. I don't know how to do this. I'm figuring it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.